Part 4. Impact of an oil spill. Students will place the stream table on a terry cloth towel or layer of paper towels. Make sure students are careful of the slipping hazard created by spilled water. Students will put on their goggles. They will arrange the sand in the stream table to cover about half of the pan away from the plugged drain hole. They will use their hands to form a 45-degree slope going into the water, starting at the edge of the sand. Students will then place some gravel along the beach line and where the water will be. Students will place 3 pipe cleaner water birds 3 to 5 centimeters down the slope, about to the level they will fill with the water. Students will then pour water into the area of the stream table near the plugged drain hole, up to the level of their seabirds. They will take a photograph of the model. Pictures should be taken during each step of the rest of the activity. Students will draw a diagram of their model in the journal. Instruct students to pour 50 milliliters of their oil mixture in the center of their water. Students will hold the laminated cardboard lengthwise and dip it into the water between the oil and the plugged edge of the stream table. They will use the cardboard to push the water and oil toward the shoreline to create waves. Make sure students don't splash the water out of the pan. Students will continue making waves until the shoreline and seabirds are covered with oil. They may need to add more water if the oil does not reach the shore. Next, students will draw a diagram of the model and record their observations of what occurred to the ecosystem as a result of an oil spill. Students will use their cleaning supplies to clean up the beach, ocean, and animals. Students will draw a diagram of the model and record their observations of what occurred to the ecosystem as a result of the cleanup. Students will then clean up their area by removing and washing the seabirds and rocks from the model and placing on a paper towel. They will clean up as much oil as possible. They will unplug the clay and drain the water into the bucket at their station. They will take the stream table to the oil dump pan. They will scoop out all the oily sand, and then about 1/3 of the sand will be placed in the oil dump pan. They will add dry sand to the model and mix with the wet clean sand to dampen. Then wipe up any spills. Part 5. Impact of a tornado.